The attack on Kamsi Chukwu Ibe is one out of the many attacks, just like Komegbenga Komolafe has raised. And I would like to also let you know, for I've seen a lot of reports talking about hoodlums. There's a need for us to be calling their names of those who we know have been threatening us since the Lekki massacre. The fear the Nigerian ruling class has, the Lagos state government especially has, is that we were able to come to the panel to say that we are the ones who organized the NSAS, and we have a right to do that, and we are doing that as peaceful as possible. For some of us who could remember, February 14, 2021, when we had the Occupy Lekki Toll Gate, we had a very popular debate in front of Lekki Toll Gate, and I debated alongside one AAO of the Defend Lagos Coalition. I want all of us to put it on record. All the NSAS protesters all over the world should put it on record that most of these attacks are being coordinated through the Defend Lagos Coalition. The leaders of these Defend Lagos Coalitions, we have people like Nelson Kujimi, who is one of them. You have Razak Olokwaba, is also one of those who are the coordinators of this Defend Lagos Coalition. You also have Gbenga Soloki, is one of those who are coordinating it. You also have Declan Ehakire. These are the guys that are coordinating the Defend Lagos Coalition. You also have the leader who is an essay to the Lagos state government, the person of Zulu Authority, who promised that anybody that goes to take any political action are going to be met with actions, with attacks.
And they had a press conference.
When Kamsi Chukwu, they also had a press conference, open press conference that is known to the whole world. When Kamsi Chukwu was narrating her ordeal, they told her that you had the mind to go to the panel. Maybe you go to the panel, Abi, and they were three with clubs and they were macheting her. She's right away at the hospital now. Immediately after the February 14 debate too, they went ahead to promise that they were going to kill me, kill Omoyele Sowore and some others, like the way they killed Bola Ige, the way they killed Funsho Williams and a lot of others.
And got away with it.
And they got away with it. And our lawyer here has evidences of how they were sending us private messages. There is also one of them who goes by the name of Asiwaju Damilare Israel, who privately told me that he's going to murder me personally. And so there are a lot of all of these attacks on a lot of our comrades. And you could see that even at the February 14 when we were attacked, they made sure that they injured many of our comrades. As it is now, somebody like Sanyaolu Juwon today is still suffering from a leg fracture. So there are a lot of these attacks on all the NSAS protesters. And because the panel report vindicated the position that the Nigerians have a right to decide for another world. Nigerians have a right to decide that we are not going to continue with this impunity. We are not going to continue with this madness. Absence of food, absence of justice, absence of security. Many of these persons don't want anybody to come out to take action. They want all of us to become cowards as they are. They want us to be traitors as much as they are. So like I've told you, all of these persons are culpable. And we are asking the Nigerian police force to immediately take action and arrest members of the Defend Lagos Coalition, who I have named so far. The persons of Gbenga Soloki is there. Nelson Kujimi is one of their major coordinators. You have Declan Ehakire too, who is also a member of that Defend Lagos Coalition. You have Razak Olokwaba, who is coordinating their military work in that Defense Lagos Coalition. And Zulu Authority, who is the head of the Team Lagos. You know, the 50 leading thugs in Lagos State are members of the Team Lagos. The secretary is Zulu Authority. And it is on record, it's all over the press, where he promised that anybody that tries to take political action in Lagos, that they are going to come for us. And so they have done that by attacking Kamsi Chukwu yesterday. We know that they are still going to do more and more of this. So we are telling all NSAS protesters all over the world, and we are putting it on record that this is what these persons are up to. And we will continue to stand our grounds, we will continue to mobilize, peacefully, we will continue to organize. And we want to tell the Lagos state government that if this is what they are promising with what they want to do with white paper, you can see it with what Owonikoko is saying and all the rest, blackmailing lawyers, blackmailing even members of the panel, the same panel that was constituted by Lagos state government. So they were also alleging that we were bribing. I don't know if we are billionaires like people in the Lagos State government. So we are putting this on record. We want you to tell the whole world that our lives are under threat. All of us here, our lives are under threat. The lives of our families are under threat. The lives of our members are under threat. Thank you so much.